Hey guys, we received this Omnpak laptop briefcase with combination lock. For test and try, this is a business office bag and a satchel bag for men or women, and then water repellent bag for laptop or any other thing. So here you can see that comes in nice box or the gift box, and let's just open it and see the things. So this one is a really nice fabric, as you can see it from here, and is a combination lock that you can use to lock it so nobody can open it without that combination lock. It's a one zipper thing and thing for putting in a carry-on bag or the travel luggage. And then it's also have this strap to carry on, and then this is just for the laptop thing, so you can just put in here. So you can put in your laptop, you can put in your secure stuff, files and everything. So it's a really nice briefcase style bag, and also have some zippers in the front for your mobile on important things. So like pens and stuff. So a small zipper, a big zipper, and then a small side pocket. So here you can store in your stuff. So there is the ample storage thing here, and then also it have a side pocket. So very nice design and ample space to store a lot of stuff in here. And then along with the laptop, you can see even for the side grip or this the shoulder bag. So it's a very nice quality metal holders. So it can hold a heavy stuff. So it's a great handle here as well. And then you can hold it easily from here. With the stitching, the fabric and everything, it looks really good, as you can see. Putting in the stuff and taking is very comfortable and looks nice with a 15-inch laptop. As you can see, you can also use it as a handle and just take it anywhere. Overall, a nice briefcase bag with a combination lock, put in a lot of stuff, and you can also put it, with a carry-on bag like this way, and you can just take it with the luggage. Overall, a nice set, a nice bag.